The fact is, if we will look to God, first off, we are aware that there are other people around us, and we are supportive of them. We're always reaching out a hand to them because we're aware of them. But where are we looking? We're looking at God. When we're spending our time looking at God, we ain't looking at all the thoughts that they carry with them. When we're spending our time looking at God, when we're focused on Him, we're not concerned about all the junk that's going on all around us. No, we're aware of people, and we're aware of each other, and we love each other. But notice what happens. As we continue to grow and we continue to look at God, notice how those lines start to come together. And we become closer, and we become closer. And the more we focus on Him, the closer we draw to Him, the closer we draw to each other. Until we get up there, you see all that white space up at the top? That's unity. That's oneness. It's oneness of heart and mind. It's one of mind and judgment. It's one where we are all pulling together, and we are all doing the same things in the same way, not because we think it's a good idea, but because Jesus has brought us to that point. It ain't about you. It ain't about me. It ain't about nobody but Jesus.